Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to be showing you what I put in my freezer to reduce food waste. Okay, first off, this is extra avocado I mashed up with some lime. This is pumpkin puree. If you're not gonna eat it all the time, pop it in ice cube trays, freeze it, easy, reused plastic bags. Banana, when your banana's going brown, you don't have time to eat it, put it in the freezer, use it in smoothies, nice cream, whatever. Tofu, yes, you can freeze tofu. Comes out a bit differently texturally, honestly kind of better, soaks up flavor. Put it in your freezer if you're not gonna eat it. Ginger, I buy so much ginger, put it in the freezer, just microplane it over what you need, easy. Bread, put bread in the freezer, why not? Lasts longer. Chopped onions, I just chop some onions, put in whatever I need. I'm not gonna eat all those onions in time. Flowers and seeds, they'll spoil a lot. They'll last so much longer, they won't spoil as fast. Put it in the freezer if you have extra. Fruit! I get a ton of frozen blueberries and eat them up.
This is an easy tip that helped us reduce food waste and save money. We started to write out what was in our fridge, including the best before dates. It's helped us plan meals and throw out less food.
Keep your veggie scraps and make your own veggie broth. Add scraps to hot pot of water. Simmer for 45 minutes. Strain. Yum yum yum. Compost leftovers.
How to reduce food waste? Leafy Green Edition. The key to leafy greens like kale, spinach, and arugula is to prevent moisture by either wrapping it in a towel or putting a paper towel inside the bags, then putting it in the crisper drawer in the fridge where it can't get too cold. And don't throw out the kale stem, instead chop it up and use it in a stir fry. You can also freeze spinach or kale and add that to hot food or smoothies. And don't forget to add frozen green onions as well. Now, how delicious do all those saved veggies look? Follow me for more tips on how to reduce food waste in your kitchen.
How to preserve lettuce for 7 to 10 days. Line your container with paper towel. I bought these containers at Kmart. The paper towel will absorb excess water. Line the top of the container with paper towel as well. Save money and eliminate food waste. Use recycled paper towel. Paper towel used for natural food waste can be put in the garden waste bin and follow for more.
Did you know that 40% of the food grown in the US gets wasted? That's like taking home 10 apples, throwing 4 of them into the trash before you ever had the chance to eat them. This is a super easy tip to help cut down on that waste. Simply choose the foods that don't look perfect but that are still completely edible. Most people will not pick up the thing that has a blemish on it or the oddly shaped sweet potato or the single bananas. Single bananas that get picked off of the bunch often get thrown away. So always try to choose those imperfect foods so that we can save them from the landfill.
Don't throw this away after you've used it. Just put it in water, in a few weeks it will grow back and you can have infinite green onion.